Hey guys, what's going on? So I figured I'd do a quick little get unready with me video. This is my bathroom. As you can see, we're in my bathroom. I don't know if you hear it, but my floor is a little squeaky, so that's what the squeakiness, that's what you guys hear. So get unready with me. I'm going to use my Garnier cleansing water here. This lipstick is the lipstick that I showed in one of my videos. I can't remember. I think it was my October favorites of the Lime Crime Red Hot lipstick. I've had this lipstick on since noon. I have not retouched it. One application, I've eaten, I've drinking all day long, and as you can see, it's still on. It has not budged. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of my cleansing water, dab it on a little makeup pad, and take it off. Look at that. My lips are a little stained, but it is what it is. Before I get started, I always put my hair up in a ponytail. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do a bun because I'm gonna have to wash my face, and then my hair would get it's gonna get all up in my face when I go to wash it. So this is what I do. Take off my earrings. I've had a very long day today. You ever had one of those days that you've just been into your own feelings? Well, I've been like that the past few days. I've been into my feelings, and sometimes I just gotta learn to get out of them, because if not, I drive myself crazy. And today's just been one of those days. It's been a feelings type of day. Oh, take out my falsies here. One's out. I don't throw away my falsies either. I end up reusing them. I clean them. I'll do another video and show you how to clean your falsies so you could use them for a few times, because with the money you waste on them, one-time use is not enough for me. And then I just go like this. Take off my makeup. I take as much as I can like this first. And get all down my neck, because when you put on a foundation, you always gotta do your neckline so it all blends. It looks good. Let's go like this. Make sure you get it all. Oh, I'm so glad this day is over. I really, really, really am. Alright, so I've taken the majority of my makeup off. So then what I do is I use the Clean and Clear nighttime one at night to wash my face, and it helps wash away all the daily buildup and all that gooky fun stuff that your face gets throughout the day. So turn on the water. I'm gonna wash my face and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've washed my face and I pat my face dry. As you can see, washing it doesn't always take off all your makeup, even though you sit there and scrub everything. So I take a little bit more of my cleansing water on my little thing, and I wipe down the rest of my eye. Kind of get the rest of everything out. Sorry, my mom came in, so I had to stop the camera. So then I just take another one and just make sure everything is clean off my face, around my hairline. See, there's still even makeup on, even though you wash your face with soap and water. So that is what I do. And then next, I always moisturize before I go to bed. Sometimes I use a night cream, sometimes I don't. It depends, but the night cream that I had, I kind of ran out, so I'm going to use my moisturizer, and I'm going to show you what I do. So I have the Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer for combination skin, because I tend to be really oily here, here, and here, but over here I'm like dry. So I use, my mom's taking a shower if you hear the water going. So I take my moisturizer, and I have this oil, I got this at Burlington, I think it was, where they sell like all the makeup things and everything. This is a body oil. It's a hydrating body oil. This is grape seed right here. And this body oil repairs, firms, and moisturizes. So what I do is I take a little bit of my moisturizer, put it on my hand, then I mix a little bit of this oil, and I put it in my hand as well, and then I mix those together, and then I apply it to my face. Just for extra hydration, especially now that it's wintertime over here in New York. So my face gets really dry. Well, here it's really dry and I could feel it. So this really helps moisturize my skin, helps firm it, because you're getting older by the minute. So anything that will firm it and repair it is always a good thing. Nice. I'm gonna down my neck, because this gets wrinkly and this gets wrinkly. So make sure you want that neck to be nice and firm as well. And there you go. And that is what I do every night before I go to bed. So now this is a quick little video, but I hope it helped you guys a little bit, learned a little bit new stuff. The grapeseed oil is by Measurable Difference. I'll try to find the link to it, and I'll put it on in the description bar down below. So if you guys want to pick one up, this one was $6.99 for this bottle. I had bought the grapeseed one, and I also have a tea tree oil one that I use as well sometimes. Like if I feel like my skin's like breaking out or something, instead of this grapeseed one, I use a tea tree oil one. So it's my little secrets, I guess. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was brief, but you guys have a good day, a good night, whenever time you guys are watching this, but I'm gonna get ready to go to bed because I have work in the morning. So you guys have a good one. Bye.